me show you how we get it outside.
Bopping on like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so
I just signed up for a brand new app called Roadie. It is a delivery app, not a food delivery app, but it's a delivery app. And I'll leave the links for the iOS and Google Play Store links in the description down below so you can download the app and sign up for it. Now, I got approved same day as signing up. You go through the process of signing up. They ask you a few questions to make sure you understand the app. And then right then and there, you can start immediately. Same day. Now, the setup of the app is similar to Instacart, if you do Instacart, the way the app's set up. But there's some more information on it. Each order. And you can work this app in any market. You don't have to put a request to change markets. If there's an order near where you are, you can pick it up. Now I'll show you over here. Some information that you'll see on the offer screen. Now it will tell you where the pickup and drop off is. It will tell you how much the offer is. It'll tell you the breakdown of the offer, what's from Roadie, and what's the tip. It'll tell you the miles. It'll tell you how many items you're picking up, what the heaviest item weighs, what's the dimensions of the biggest item that you'll be taking, to give you the most information possible so you know what you're picking up. Also gives you a window, and you have to deliver within that window. Now, some of the places that you can pick up from is like Advanced Auto Zone, I seen on there. Home Depot, Best Buy, Michael's. You can pick up people's luggage from the airport. I saw after I signed up 1 in the morning, I got an offer from the airport that's about an hour from where I live. The person's package or suitcase was going about an hour 15. Now I was paying $50 to go from the airport to the person's house. And you had to go to baggage claim, to the little office they have near baggage claim, to pick up the luggage. Now, the good thing about Roadie is keep your receipts, because you have to pay for parking or tolls, you will get reimbursed from the app. Now, I have yet to start doing any deliveries with Roadie, but I definitely next week in my second market that I work, or Monday when you're seeing this video, I'll be taking some orders, and I'll do a ride along on one of the orders so you can see how the process works. Now, I would suggest you sign up for this app. Even if you don't take any orders from this app, I've seen orders on this app pay way more than food delivery, because food delivery is on the decline when it comes to the pay model. And I'll give you more information on it when I actually do this app, because I think I'm going to enjoy this app. All I got to do is put my seats down, and I can fit majority of the stuff that I'll be picking up. And it also tells you the size, like what the size of the load is too. So a small, medium, large, extra large. So you know, can my vehicle pick that up? I seen you can pick up flowers on there as well on the app. So definitely sign up today. Links will be in the description down below. And have another app in your back pocket, because this app is in all 50 states from what I read online. And I'll throw in some more information about Roadie in the description down below so you can get more information. But it's Michael Anthony Fitness. I'm going to get up out of here like Mr. Vontae Davis. And stay tuned, because you're going to see a brand new cut at the end of the video. And I will see you guys on next video or live stream. Peace. Look at that fresh cut. Look at fresh and so clean. Shout out to my barber, Tony Cash, for that fresh cut. Link subscription down below if you're in the DMV area. Become the Wise Cuts and get you a fresh cut. Not sponsoring the channel. How fresh that cut is. Fresh and so clean. Woo! Fresh and so clean. See y'all on the next one.
Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. I get the bags under my eyes on my mommy floor.